Ladies and gentlemen, my question to you is, what in the hell was that about? This is the Computer Programming University CPU Squad, and this is another code challenge for you, just for you. So, I am calling it quits for tonight. I have been coding all day long. I'm tired. It is 12 in the morning, I believe. Let me check the time. My system time was incorrect before. Yeah, it's after 12. 12:20. 12:20 in the morning. And I'm still up, still at it. So here's the code challenge. Let's get right to it. So here's my terminal. All right, so basically what we're stuck on here is, and I want Nick, MsgType, any of you guys, Mega Noob, to take a look at this. So take a look at the, actually let me show you where we're at with the project first of all, before we get into that. So readme. I don't know if you can see all of that. Let me make the terminal smaller so it fits in the screen better. All right, there we go. So this is what we got going. Input alphanumeric text, done. Validate valid order or non-order, reject and identify message type, done. Feature 2, not complete, add message type ID, done. Feature 3, store tag value pairs in an array. That's the thing we want to change. That's done as requested, but the requirement has now changed. I'll tell you about that in a second. 3b, change from list method to dictionary. So that's what we need done. That's what I'm stuck on. Change list from list method to dictionary. So instead of storing the tag value pairs as an array, we want to store them as a dictionary, Python dictionary, right? 2b, validate additional message types, done. Recall tag value pairs in an array, done. Modify tag value pairs in an array, done. Now, I even jumped to the bonus item. I actually built something that was able to establish a TCP/IP connection. That was fun. Really excited that I got that done, but I did it. I actually not only established a TCP/IP connection, but I sent data. I didn't just send data either. I sent an actual FIX message. That was so awesome. That was so awesome that I actually got that far to actually send an actual FIX message from a client to a server. So I built two processes, a client and a server. You run the server in the background, and it listens for the connection from the client. Client comes up and sends a FIX message, and then there you go. Good to go. I'll play around with that some more tomorrow, but got that done. Some more tomorrow, whatever. I start slurring my speech when I'm tired. Anyway, so that's what we got going here, guys. Now I want to show you where we're stuck at. So let me give you the requirements for this code challenge. So FIX list. Let me run that and see what happens. So let me just see out of curiosity. Plus 777 FIX list py. Yeah, it's not gonna run. Not gonna run. All right, so there's the syntax. Tag equals value, comma, tag equals value. Right? So this is currently with the list format. With the list format, what we're doing is 35 equals D, comma, 55 equals IBM, comma, 38 equals 100, right? Tag equals value, comma, tag equals value, comma, tag equals value. That's a FIX message that the user can enter, and then you click on enter, and then it just basically shows you what you entered and converts it into a list. So you see in the square brackets here, tag value, comma, tag value, and comma, right? So And this is actually, it includes the modification code, so I can actually change one of these. I didn't add a feature where you can specify what you want to change, just what you're going to change it to, right? So it's hard coded in terms of which item that changes. But let's say I want to change 35 equals F. If I run that, you see it change the index position 1 to 35 equals F. That's fine. That's great. That's what we wanted. Requirements have changed. The new requirements require that you take this input, same as before, 35 equals D, comma, 38 equals 100, right? So something formatted like this, tag equals value, comma, tag equals value, right? That format. The new requirement is to take that and not convert it into a list like that, but to convert it into a dictionary. So Python dictionary. Let's pull that up here. I got my internet connection stuff working now, so now we should be able to. Oh, I forgot to install the new version of Chrome. So Python, go away. Python dictionary. Example. Just to show you what it looks like. Data structures. So sets, dictionaries. So this is the dictionary format. So you see this? I'm just going to grab this and I'll convert it over to FIX so you guys can see exactly what we are doing. So I'm just going to exit out of this and I'm going to paste that and convert it. So this would be 35 D 38 100. That's the output that we want, right? So in a dictionary you will see that it's displayed in the curly brackets like that, right? So we can enclose it in curly brackets. So that's a Python dictionary, right? So I can't just do it just like that. Oh, I can. Whatever works, right? So that is. Let me change this. So after, right? What's the? I keep forgetting the command to go to the end of the line. So that's after, and let's do a before. So I'll show you what's happening now versus what we want. And I'll just do them side by side. So let's go ahead and grab this from here. And we can paste it there. All right. After. So now let's group everything and run them as one. So we want to do this right here. And then we want to run this. This might not be the best way to do this. I can already see a problem with doing it this way. Just in terms of how I'm showing it to you, but we'll see. That works. So, I did it in the wrong order. Alright, no problem. So, we just need to take the before and put it in the beginning. So, let's copy that. And let's do paste before after. Do I have too many? I missed a quote there. And I got a double one, yeah. Boom! So this is what we got going now. And let me show source. Let's add that as well. Let's add that as well. So we're going to do echo source 35 equals D, comma 38 equals 100. So that's the source. All right. Let's do an echo, boom, boom. And then let's do a final edit. Let's do an echo, boom, boom. And that should do it. Look at that. Look at that. I guess I should do the minus instead. Let's do that. I'm a perfectionist. And that line should be a little bit longer. So a little bit further than the echo there. Let's see. Maybe that will work. Pretty close, pretty close. No cigar. All right. This is our requirement, CPU squad. What we want to do is... One moment. Let me get this even bigger for you guys on your cell phones or whatever you're using. Okay. There we go. Okay. So user is going to input this format, right? And currently it's being converted to this format, the list format, right? What we want to change it to is the dictionary format, right? So tag colon separated value, and then comma delimited, right? So key value pair, which is separated by a colon, and each pair is delimited by a comma, right? So this is how we want the end results, going from this to that. And I will take this and I will put this in on the board with the existing code as well to make it easy for you guys. So if you're not on the board, let me know. I will need to add you. I don't have it up on this machine. I got too many screens going. Let's see. Checklist. Let me add this as a code challenge. Let's go to the code tab. So let me, I don't know if I'm going to be able to log in on this one. I may need to, all right, that's not what we wanted. I may need to log in or something. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work as far as, let's see. Here we go. So that's our Trello board. Yeah, let me, you know what, in the interest of time after time, I am going to do this on my local machine. So let me share my local machine, because you're looking at the virtual machine. So let's do left screen. And let's bring it up over here. Let's get this out of the way. And let's make it bigger. One moment. I will show you the board in just a second. Okay, so this is the board that we have going, right? There's a to-do list on the far left. And these are all the sections we have. Videos, FIX engine information, code, resources, right? So I'm going to add this to the code section. I need to clean this up as well. Some of the stuff is outdated. So, how come everybody has their name except for me? I'm just adding stuff. I'm a little sloppy. So I'm going to follow. I like the way Nick did it and MsgType did it. That's interesting. Did they do that automatically or something? And then Nick has his little initial. What's that all about? I'm jealous now. So let's do Carlisle. Dictionary. Input to dictionary. Input convert to dictionary code challenge. All right, so add that card. Let's put it up on top. I gotta take a look at what Nick has going. Let me put it next to MsgType. All right, so there's the code challenge. If we go in here, we can add okay, that's pretty clear. Try to make it as clear as possible so everyone can understand what I'm trying to communicate. And now let me attach the code. That should be interesting. So I think this code is actually in the GitHub. So I think it's this guy. Yep, it's there. So I should be able to just give you guys a link to it. New incognito window. There we go. So that will work. So let me add it on the board. Here is the current code. So there's that. Save. Additionally, I should be able to download it. Maybe not. If I do raw. Huh. I'm not sure. Hopefully that works for you guys. I will put it in the description of this video. But that's the code challenge. So that is your mission, should you choose to accept it. Convert to dictionary. Convert the user input into dictionary instead of what it's currently doing now, which is converting to a list. It's pretty simple. Well, might be simpler than it sounds. I mean, I'm tired. Might be more complicated than it seems. One way to find out. Give it a shot. Mega Noob, Nick, Pravan, also MJ Shahid, every single one of you guys, give it a shot and let me see what you got. That's it for me. It is 12:40 in the morning, and finally, I'm done. Buonanotte. Hasta luego. Ciao. I'm out.